Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do one of the most requested brow styles from my students. Ito yung tinatawag nila na thigh makeup brows. So, yun yung tipo ng brows na, wait, let me pull up a picture from Pinterest. Ayan, something like this, kung saan nakikita nyo na may product naman siya, pero very prominent pa rin yung hairs. Or something like this. This one is a darker version. So, ang tawag ko dyan usually is Glam X Feathery. Yes. Collab yarn. You're gonna need two products, one dimension product and one drawing product. So, dimension products are products that you can use to flatten or volumize or create the illusion that your brow hairs are thicker, like a brow glue, brow soap, brow gel, what have you. I can't really tell you which one works for you because it's different for everybody, but this is what works for me. The got to be glued, so this is what we're gonna use today. And I am an eyebrow powder girly, so we're gonna be using these ones. Ayan. I got the Nongchat Brow It eyebrow palette. Dalawang klase ito. This is number 1, which is in Cosmic Latte. This is what I'm going to use today. But if you have darker hair or if you want something darker, you can get this one. This is the number 2 one, which is Dark Galaxy. And then, I discovered this really thin brush, which, again, I forgot where I bought this from. So, maybe next time, magkalkal ako ng history ng mga add to cart natin dyan. So, anyway, the first thing that you want to do is to outline your brows. So, you want to determine if you want your brows to be arched up a little bit. Personally, I want my brows arched up a little bit because my brows or my face shape is quite round, and when you arch up your brows, it kind of creates the illusion that your face is narrower. That's not the case all the time, of course. This is totally up to you. And then, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna dip it here. And then, you can see these marks kasi minsan binabasa ko siya. Kung gusto ko na mas pigmented siya, binabasa ko siya. So, what you wanna do is to just outline your brows first. So, I start here until my tail. And then, whatever is left on my brush, I can just apply it here because you want this inner corner to be significantly lighter than the rest of your brows. If your natural brow tail is short, like kung bitin siya, kasi dapat pa ganyan siya eh. Here, you start measuring from the side of your nostril until your last eyelash. You want to extend that also with your brush. So, it's important that your brush is thin so the tip of your tail is also really thin. And one property of eyebrow powders that you might want to take note of is that it's blendable. So, once you apply this, you want to brush it up already, kind of like how you would blend powders like eyeshadows para ma-fill in nyo na yung mga yan. So, as you can see here, I put more pigment kasi yan, dyan yung pinakakalbo or yung sparse na area ko eh. So, I brush it up that way. Now, here's an important part. You want to close off the top but don't close this off kasi sayang yan eh. Yung mga may buhok dyan, sayang yan. Yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng feathery effect. So, you just want to start here and you don't want to place your brush too high. Your brush should land kung saan meron pang mga hairs. So, dito lang, para hindi siya masyadong kumapal, and then go ahead and manipulate na the arch. You can go higher na here. And one way of drawing your arch effectively is to not lift your brush, just slowly curve it towards the tail so that it doesn't create such a pointed arch. Next step, this is when you want to wet na your powder. So I just take my MAC Fix Plus, spritz a teeny tiny amount on the thing, and then I pick up some of it, take the pigment, so it's darker towards the tail. So dito niya na siya pwedeng mas linisin pa, lalo na yung mga ends or yung mga areas na gusto nyo pang lagyan ng pigment. So, here, I'm gonna apply it here. Ayan, it's going to appear darker na dito sa gilid. Tapos, you wanna pinch your brush para maging manipis na manipis siya. Tapos, habang basa pa siya, you can draw hair-like strokes na sa inner corner like so. Just flick. Itapon nyo ng paganon para talagang manipis na manipis lang siya. Then take another flat brush, just clean it up with concealer. This is your chance to make it thinner if you want, or clean up yung mga lampas-lampas ninyo. Important to sa classes na tinuturo namin kasi kapag beginner, hindi talaga maganda pa yung control sa mga tools, like whether it's a pencil, a pen, or a brush for a powder or a pomade. So, maganda din na natututo silang mag-define ng brows nila. So, I'll make mine thinner so you can see. Puputulin nyo siya from the head, yung pinaka-head, tapos ituloy-tuloy nyo lang siya. Hindi kailangan ganito karaming concealer. I just use this much whenever doing my demos para my students can really see. By the way, you can also check the placement of your arch. Ayan. Hindi siya dapat nandito sa my pupil or iris, and hindi siya din dapat lampas ng mata. So, this is an okay measurement. Up next, just go ahead and take your brow dimension product. Take your spoolie, and because you already applied a drawing product, which is your powder in this case, you don't want your spoolie to touch your skin or the powder so that it doesn't mess it up. So you just want to lightly apply this or coat this on the hairs of your brows without touching your skin. So, kung yari, marami kayong hairs dito na nagmumukhang stout yung end, you can comb it inwards para magstay siya dun sa loob ng outline. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-ilalabas ninyo. This is what you're gonna thicken. Another question that I get asked a lot is if you could use the Dimension product first. Yes, you can. But then again kasi, kapag naglagay na kayo ng glue or any Dimension product, sometimes nagiging slippery siya. And hindi nyo na properly mai-pack on yung drawing product ninyo. So, kunyari, in this case, if I do Dimension product first, may tendency na mag-clump up yung aking brow powder. So, it's totally up to you. It's more of like, it's not an either or. It's more of a preference or based on your skill level. If you're gonna ask me if you're a beginner and you're practicing how to do your brows, you can do drawing products first. Kasi mas madaling i-control yung drawing products kung skin lang yung nandyan. Ayan. Anyway, that's our brow tutorial for today. Bye, guys!